Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated premium compact cameras of the year, the Leica Q4. As the successor to the legendary Q3, the Q4 promises to blend Leica's iconic design with cutting-edge imaging technology, and early rumors suggest it's packed with impressive features for both photographers and videographers. From a high-resolution full-frame sensor and a fast 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens to enhanced autofocus, 4K video recording, and improved ergonomics, this camera is shaping up to be a true hybrid powerhouse, and this video will break down everything you need to know, from design and specs to pricing, first impressions, and how it stacks up against its competitors. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're a Leica enthusiast, a professional photographer, or someone looking for a premium compact camera, stick around because we've got all the details you won't want to miss about the Leica Q4. The Leica Q4 is officially shaping up to be one of the most talked about premium compact cameras of the year, and for good reason. As the successor to the widely acclaimed Leica Q3, the Q4 promises to refine the quintessential Leica experience, blending classic design, cutting-edge imaging technology, and exceptional build quality. Leica has long been known for delivering cameras that appeal to enthusiasts, professional photographers, and collectors alike, and the Q4 appears to continue this tradition. From confirmed specifications to rumored features, pricing, and first impressions, this video will break down everything you need to know about the Leica Q4, helping you understand why it could be a game-changer in the compact premium camera market. Starting with the design, the Leica Q4 retains the iconic rangefinder-inspired aesthetic that has become a signature of the Q series. The body is expected to be crafted from robust materials, including magnesium alloy and high-quality aluminum, providing durability while maintaining a sleek and compact form factor. The camera's design emphasizes minimalism, with intuitive control dials, a tactile shutter button, and carefully positioned function buttons that make operation effortless. Leica appears to have refined ergonomics compared to the Q3, ensuring that the camera sits comfortably in hand for extended shooting sessions. For photographers who value portability without sacrificing professional handling, the Q4 promises to be a perfect companion for street photography, travel, and everyday shooting. The lens is one of the Q series' most celebrated features, and the Leica Q4 continues this legacy. It is expected to feature a fixed high-performance 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens, optimized for sharpness, contrast, and beautiful bokeh. Leica lenses are renowned for their optical precision, and the Q4 is likely to maintain the brand's reputation for delivering images with exceptional clarity and color fidelity. The fast aperture allows photographers to shoot in low-light conditions without compromising image quality, while the wide-angle field of view makes it versatile for landscapes, architecture, and environmental portraits. Leica's lens coatings and construction are also expected to minimize flare and chromatic aberration, ensuring that every shot is crisp and detailed. The sensor and image processing are at the heart of the Leica Q4's performance. Leaks and rumors suggest that the camera will feature a full-frame sensor with a resolution in the range of 45 MP, providing incredible detail for both professional and enthusiast photographers. Paired with Leica's proprietary image processor, the Q4 is expected to deliver fast performance, accurate color reproduction, and impressive dynamic range.